Happy New Year's, everybody. Hope you guys had a safe and fun New Year's Eve. It's always a great time of the year. I know we talked about traveling last time, so hope you got to travel, go experience something cool. I stayed at home and watched Revolt TV and watched Puff Daddy's New Year's Eve party. I went to sleep at 9 o'clock, ordered some Taco Bell. My wife ordered an acai bowl, and we stayed at home and we chilled and we relaxed and enjoyed our son and got to bed early. And then I got up January 1st, 5 a.m. and did a 6-mile run at the beach and launched an incredible new challenge that our brand Grand AC is doing with 5-4, where we're going to run 75 miles in the month of January. And if you run it, you get $75 store credit at Grand AC, and if you're a girl, you get $75 of Reckless Girls credit. So it's a pretty cool way to incentivize everyone to be active, be healthy, and get moving. And the grand prize winner, whoever runs the most miles, we're gonna give $2,500 cash. Actually, I'm gonna Venmo it to you. So that's kind of my big thing for January, is to just get everyone back in shape. And I know everyone always says new year, new me, and they joke around with all that stuff. It is an opportunity to press a hard reset on whatever bad habits you have and start fresh in 2018. And I know a lot of people set resolutions and set things they want to do and then are bummed out come March they haven't even kind of done it. And it really comes back to like the moderation and balance that I keep talking about. So I think for this year, like being active is super important to me. So my goal is to run 1,000 miles in 2018. So that's roughly 85 miles, I want to say, a month, which I think should be doable. I run fairly often. And the other ones I put as a joke on my Instagram today was to have a less fat face. And my wife told me that's because of alcohol. I just drink too much. So January 1st, I actually didn't have a drop of alcohol. Then yesterday, all day, didn't drink. And then I'm wearing this shirt because my boy Nas and his manager Anthony gave this shirt to me. I went to dinner with Nas and I, and we like drinking tequila together. And so we drank a lot. And we ended up having this incredible dinner, talking about life, talking about a lot of personal stuff that I can't talk about, but history. He's so well educated and well read that like it's just fun to talk to someone that has so much interesting perspectives and life experience. So we had this incredible meal at one of our favorite vegan restaurants, Crossroads, and we just talked about everything and caught up. We haven't seen each other in a long time, so it was great. And I haven't seen a lot of my friends because of work and family, so I'm trying to catch up in the first couple of weeks of January, and I think it's a great time to kind of catch up with all your friends, so I recommend doing that if you have the time. And yeah, ready to start the new year. So there's a couple goals outside of the health and wellness stuff that I've kind of set for myself. One is to clean my desk, and not because I want to be more organized. I have no interest in being more organized. When I watch the vlog, the desk just looks bad. So for the purposes of this vlog and all the content we're creating, I want to have a cooler looking desk. My partner Andres, his office, his desk just looks fly. And this is the first time I'm like, I don't like how my office looks. We'll see how that works out. I mean, I got a lot of work to do. I want to like make it more fun and more reflective of like my daily life now, because it's changed over the years when we first moved into this office. So definitely going to do that. And then really start the year working. You know, we have a big announcement for our business. We're evolving. So we'd always been the 5-4 Club the last 5 years when we launched the subscription service. Now we're shifting our name because we realize there's a way to improve the customer experience. There's always this saying, innovate or die. And we've always felt that every few years you have to blow yourself up and start again. And we've been doing the club now for 5 years. And we listen to what our customers say, and they told us, hey, we want variety, we want different products, we want to experience different things. We decided to improve the experience, and the first thing we did was include all of our brands in the subscription service now. So now, as a member of now what we're calling the Menlo Club, you now get to experience 5-4, New Republic, and Grand AC. And if your knee jerk is, oh, I don't want the shoes, or I don't want the activewear, you need to really see what we're doing here. We're doing something so special from a value perspective and a style perspective. It's all the product we're shipping people in the boxes is super wearable. You don't have to be an athlete to want to wear activewear, and you don't need to be a shoe connoisseur to wear the sneakers that we're going to send you. Super exciting to do that because I actually read this incredible quote in a Business Insider article, in regards to what Bill Gates and Steve Jobs when it comes to innovation. The author in this article said, to be innovative, you cannot be afraid to obsolete your own products. If you are, others will obsolete them for you. So we're a pioneer in men's subscription. So if we don't do this, then someone else will do it to us. And so we're always a believer of constantly evolving and making these big changes in our business. So it's something that it's like innate in us. We started as a wholesale brand, then we became a retail brand, then we went to e-commerce, then we went to subscription, and now we're here today, continually evolving and pushing ourselves to that next level. The problem is this change is scary. No matter what the change is, no matter what you do, change is always scary for everyone around you. So for us, obviously it's a scary time because we're making these huge changes. We're a very large business now, so we can't be calculating every risk we take, but we really believe this is the best experience for a customer. Financially, we'll see what happens in the future and how it affects our bottom line, but the way we view it is, let's get the customer the best experience and we'll get rewarded down the line for that. So if you're a member, I hope you enjoy it because we worked really hard to kind of improve the experience. And there's a lot of cool things we're gonna roll out this year. I think we're experts at this point. We've been doing this now, this is our 16th year. I don't think you're gonna find any of our competitors have that kind of experience in fashion, manufacturing, customer service, marketing, brand building, sourcing of great product at a high quality, great prices. I think we're a very unique company, so I'm hoping everyone gets to experience those things. We're ready to get the year started and get healthy, have a positive attitude. That's another thing I think I love about January. I know that people make fun of it because I saw on Instagram and Twitter, oh, I'm sick of all the new year, new me stuff. I don't think that's a cool way to think about it. I think you should take advantage of the fact that it is a new year, refresh, hit a reset on your life and push things forward. If everything is going great for you and you have a positive outlook on life, continue that. But if you didn't have the year you wanted in 2017, might as well do it in 2018. I'm excited about getting going. I'm excited to be back at work. I took a little bit of break and hang out with the family. We're ready to go, and we have a lot of exciting things to announce in the coming weeks, and looking forward to also traveling again. Stayed home obviously because of the baby, but I have this new concept when it comes to running. And when I traveled all those years, I always ran in every city to kind of not only do exercise, but really discover the city. When you run a city, you really see what's going on. So I have this kind of slogan and mantra in my head is, you can't run the city till you run the city. So wherever I go this year, I'm gonna be doing runs. And if anyone lives out there that I know or follows me on Instagram and wants to run with me, I would love it because that's a great way to discover the city. So whether it's going to be in Paris or London or New York or Miami or San Francisco, Vegas, I'm going to go everywhere this year and plan to do a 3 to 5 mile run anywhere. So please join me. Have a great 2018 and see you guys next week.